After a long week at the office, working on stuff, all you want to do is feel the sand between your toes and relax with a special someone. With paradise in sight, the last thing on your mind is remembering whether or not you locked your car. Good thing you have BlueLink, which makes it a breeze to lock your Hyundai from anywhere, even halfway to the shore. Just hit lock, enter your PIN, and you can enjoy the sun worry-free. Easily link multiple smartphones to the same vehicle. So when your girlfriend realizes that you forgot the sunblock back in the car, she can use the unlock feature on her smartphone. Oh no, it's time to head back home already? Luckily, you don't have to climb back into a scorching hot car. BlueLink Remote Start with climate control can cool down your Hyundai before you even leave the sand. Set the temperature using the smartphone app. BlueLink will take care of the rest. A perfect ending to a relaxing day. Enhanced safety, security, and enjoyment made possible with the power of Hyundai BlueLink. BlueLink. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.